Okay, I just did a poll on our YouTube community and I said, hey, what should our next video be? You guys voted, and what won is how to have your first $10,000 month. So I'm going to break down the math and the numbers and everything so that you can specifically do this right now. Okay, as we talk through your first $10,000 month, number one, this isn't like something we're going to teach on, but you need to believe that you can actually achieve those levels, right? Like we created the Ultimate Agent Academy at ultimateagentacademy.com, where I'm coaching agents constantly. You can go register for that and check that out. However, the first thing you have to do is you have to do the math. Okay, here's what I mean. Let's just say that you average $500 per sell. Every time you make a sell, it's $500. Okay, that means if you need 10K divided by $500, you need 20 sells, right? It means you literally need to help 20 families or clients with whatever you offer, life insurance, Medicare, PNC, commercial, etc., right? 20 cells. Now the math behind this, then now that we have the math of how many cells we need, then the next piece is you have to get in front of people, right? Which is prospecting, okay? So how are you gonna do this? Also, you gotta understand the math of whether you're selling face-to-face or virtual. So let me give you an example. If we're at 20 cells, you need to, and you have a 50% close rate, which is average, right? Which is okay. That means you need to sit with 40 throughout the month to hit that number, which means that is 10 per week, okay? But to sit with 10 a week, you may have to set 15 per week to sit with 10. And so it starts here. So in what ways can you go book 15 appointments per week? Guess what I did when I had my first $10,000 month at 20 years old? Like I was talking to our Ultimate Agent Academy members last night about my first year and my first month, and I was sharing all these crazy stories about goals and habits and all the stuff that I did and how I would write on Post-it notes. I was going to make 100K, and I would put it in my car by my speedometer. Even though I speed a lot, I don't actually look at my speedometer as much as I should, but maybe I should do that more. But then I'm looking at my speedometer and I'm like, bro, I'm going to go make 10K. I'm going to go make 100 grand. Like, you got to really start to believe in this thing. So if you're like, bro, I need coaching, I need help, I need you to transfer energy into me and help me believe, then go to ultimateagentacademy.com. I want to coach you. I want to help you. It's only $49. Okay, back to the video. Now, prospecting. Talk about booking 15 appointments. I was telling these agents last night, I'm like, what can you do to book 15? Like, I cold door knocked, and used warm market. There's a lot of different ways though. You could use leads, you could use age leads, you could use a dialer. You can do all these things, but you need to figure out consistently how you can book 15, okay? Then, once you book 15, like this is literally what I did, by the way, to have my first $10,000 month. Like I made 9 grand back in January of my first full-time month, and then I hit over 10 the next month. My first month was 9K though. I literally use this exact formula to do that. Next, you're getting it, you know the math, you're getting in front of people, then you've got to have the skill, right? And improve your skill good enough so that you can do things like scripting. You can do things like overcome objections. You can do things like close. You can do things like build value, build rapport, etc. Like you've got to develop the muscle that is skill so that you can consistently be better at what you do, right? And one of the fastest ways to get better is through activity. We learn by doing. So I want to challenge you to get outside of your comfort zone. You want to have your first $10,000 a month, then go get in front of people, right? Literally book 60, I'm telling you, based on this math, you just need to book 60 appointments and you will have your first $10,000 a month. It's that simple, but most people never book the 60. Most agents are booking like 6 appointments a month, 12 appointments a month, 3 a week. No, the math doesn't work. The activity isn't big enough. You got to understand the math before you can actually put in the work, prospect, skill, and then the fourth step to this thing is to get to where you are reminding yourself of what the target is as often as possible. Here's what I mean. Write it down every day. Say it every day. Put it online. Tell your family members, put it by your speedometer, put it by your bed, hang it up in the wall in your cubicle. Like I wrote out a contract. I was telling the Ultimate Agent Academy members last night when I was coaching them that I wrote out a contract my first year. I will earn $100,000 my first year in the insurance business. And I hung it, I signed it, and my dad signed it. And I'm gonna make $100,000 at 20 full time. And I hung it up in the wall of my cubicle. And then every day I would walk in, boom, someone would hang up on me. Who cares? I'm gonna make $100,000. Someone slammed the door in my face. Who cares? I'm gonna make $100,000. Something terrible happens. My day's going awful. I can't sell anything. I can't throw a beach ball in the ocean. Who cares? I'm gonna make $100,000 because I physically saw it every single day. What I'm trying to do for you, and what I try to do for our Ultimate Agent Academy members is transfer confidence into them, right? You'll see me do this on our Ultimate Agent reality show, which airs live on our YouTube channel, Season 2, this next Tuesday, December 12th at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. You'll see me transfer confidence. Confidence is the memory of success. I want to transfer confidence, belief, and energy into you because I'm telling you, if we get your habits right, if we get your activity right, your energy, your attitude, and we get all these things correct, and you become a better version of you. Like I like coaching people up versus just giving you tangible words to say. Like I like coaching your soul and you and your brain and your heart because I can tell you if we fix you, all this stuff starts to happen. Like as an example, dude, I had already had a 10K month. And then in 2014, I was unhappy with who I was because I was a hypocrite. I was telling myself, I would tell myself, hey, I'm gonna go work out in the morning. It'd be Sunday night. I'd look in the mirror and say, you're gonna work out in the morning. Yes, you are. No, you are. And then literally, guess what's crazy is Monday morning would come and I wouldn't work out. I was the biggest hypocrite in the world. And guess what? What's crazy about it is I lived in a subdivision. 125 Walnut Avenue in Rogersville, Missouri was my address back then. I don't live there anymore, so you can have the address. However, when I lived there, the gym, 417 Fitness, was literally behind my house across the street. I was one football field away from the gym. I'm going to the gym, but I wouldn't go. And every single day I would say I'm going to do it, and I would lie to myself. Every week, a new week, I'm going to work out this week. And I wouldn't. The best way to get confidence is to start honoring the commitments to yourself, which is why reminding yourself of the commitment. Like Ultimate Agent Academy, here's an example. We're gonna get to 1,000 members in the first 100 days. I'm gonna go coach and create 1,000 six-figure earners. We're eventually gonna have community meetups all around the world. We had someone in Jamaica that literally jumped in and said, hey, I wanna be a part of the academy. I need your coaching, I need your help. I wanna coach you every week. I wanna provide courses that you need. My life's work in a box is CA Sales System. You get access to that for $49, right? Total value of this whole thing is like $2,900 for $49. And so if you want to have your first 10K month, do the math, put in the work, develop the skill, and remind yourself every step of the way that you can do this thing. Okay? I'm coaching members every single week. So if you love our videos, if you like the things we do, then you should go to ultimateagentacademy.com and register so I can coach you and help you and have my network of other millionaires in the industry come and help you succeed. Because I'm telling you, you can master the skill of making money selling insurance. And I want to be the person that helps you do that. And I want to see you have an amazing 2024. If you love the video, give it a like. Leave us a comment on what your favorite part of the video was, which one of these you need to improve. And if you love it, share the video with somebody else. And just maybe, we'll see you in the academy. Hey, if you enjoyed this, I got another one you're going to love. It's right there. Click on it. See you in there. I'm so excited for today's CA Power Player podcast. I'm your host, Cody Askins. We got a special guest. He is back on the channel talking about how to sell life insurance from home. Here's what I love about this person. Yeah, I'm telling you, this will be one of the best.